Imagine this. You're hosting a family dinner and the kids want crispy air-fried chicken wings while the adults crave a perfectly roasted veggie pizza. Normally, you'd be juggling appliances or cooking in batches, but with this Ninja DCT401 12-in-1 double oven with FlexDoor, you can cook both meals simultaneously at different temperatures and have them ready at the same time. This countertop powerhouse is a game changer for busy home chefs, combining versatility, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology to make meal prep faster and tastier. Why the Ninja DCT401 stands out. The Ninja DCT401 isn't just another countertop oven, it's a dual-oven marvel that maximizes space and functionality. With its innovative FlexDoor design, FlavorSeal technology, and smart finish technology, it solves common cooking pain points like flavor crossover and lengthy prep times. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a home cook who loves experimenting, this oven delivers unmatched versatility with 12 cooking functions, from air frying to dehydrating. Plus, its sleek stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Let's break down what makes this appliance a standout choice. Key features that spark joy in the kitchen. FlexDoor design. The FlexDoor creates two independent ovens in one unit. Use the top oven for quick snacks like toast or bagels, or open the full door to access both ovens for larger meals. This flexibility is perfect for multitasking cooks. FlavorSeal technology. Say goodbye to flavor crossover. This technology ensures that the aromas and tastes of your dishes stay separate, so your pizza doesn't taste like your air-fried wings. Smart finish technology. Sync both ovens to finish cooking at the same time, even if you're using different temperatures and cooking methods. It's a lifesaver for family dinners or entertaining guests. 12 cooking functions. The top oven handles baking, broiling, reheating, keeping warm, bagels, and toasting. The bottom oven tackles air frying, convection baking, pizza, air roasting, whole roasting, and dehydrating. This versatility replaces multiple appliances. Family-sized capacity. Cook up to 6 pounds of wings and a 12-inch pizza simultaneously, feeding up to 8 people. It's ideal for family meals or small gatherings. 65% faster meal. Prep. Eliminate back-to-back cooking and cut meal prep time by 65% compared to traditional ovens, giving you more time to enjoy with loved ones. Easy cleanup. The removable crumb tray and non-stick interior make cleaning a breeze so you can focus on cooking, not scrubbing. Benefits that make the Ninja DCT401 a must-have. Effortless multitasking. The dual oven design lets you cook 2 different meals at once, catering to picky eaters or diverse dietary needs without extra effort. For example, air-fry chicken nuggets for the kids while roasting a salmon fillet for yourself. Space-saving versatility. Replace your air fryer, toaster, and dehydrator with one compact unit that fits neatly on your countertop, freeing up valuable kitchen space. Time-saving efficiency. With smart finish technology and faster cooking times, you'll spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meals or hosting guests. Consistent results. The top rapid convection oven ensures even toasting and baking, while the bottom air fry oven delivers crispy, golden results every time. Perfect for entertaining. Impress guests with a variety of dishes, all ready at the same time, thanks to the large capacity and synchronized cooking features. Who is the Ninja DCT401 perfect for? This double oven is a dream for busy families. Cook kid-friendly meals and adult dinners simultaneously, saving time and keeping everyone happy. Home entertainers. Feed a crowd with ease, from appetizers to main courses, all prepared in one appliance. Meal prep enthusiasts. Batch cook proteins and sides or dehydrate snacks for the week ahead. Small space cooks. Apartment dwellers or those with compact kitchens will love its space-saving design and multifunctionality. Tech-savvy chefs. The intuitive digital controls and smart features make it easy to experiment with new recipes and techniques. Final verdict: a kitchen game changer. The Ninja DCT401 12-in-1. Double oven with FlexDoor is a revolutionary appliance that brings professional-grade cooking to your home kitchen. Its dual oven design, smart technology, and 12 cooking functions make it a versatile, time-saving solution for busy families, entertainers, and food lovers. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or dehydrating, this oven delivers consistent, delicious results with minimal effort. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game, the Ninja DCT401 is the appliance to beat. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.